Guys, it's 2:19 and I just finished a job here from a customer. Looks like a neighbor left their garage door open and it's past midnight. Anyway, I was just listening to the sound of the crickets, but if you want to follow along with what's happening a day in the life of a clean air heating and cooling technician, I just finished replacing a gas valve. This one was electrically failed. And what just happened here? My camera flipped up. Anyway, got it going. They got heat. Their kids, her family, they're all going to be nice and warm tonight. And I am going to either head home or find a hotel and spend the night so I don't have to drive home and back into the field in the morning. So that's what the plan is. If you guys want someone who's dedicated, who's willing to go the extra mile and do whatever it takes to get you comfortable when it's important to you and not find ways to get out of it, I'm the guy. Also, our company, our whole team is dedicated to you guys, so please never hesitate to reach out. And when you make a decision who to buy a furnace or a heat pump or an air conditioner from, you should really think about the service that comes after, because all of us promise the world, oh yeah, we'll take care of you, our service department is great, all this stuff, but close to nobody does what we do here at Clean Air, as far as going out there and working late and taking care of our clients and being out there when it's not easy for us, but you need us. And so we are probably one of the few who do this, and I don't see anybody else on the road almost ever this late at night, but our team is out whenever people need us. So if you're a homeowner looking for a team that's dedicated, we're the ones. Thank you. Have a great night, and we'll see you in the morning.